Alright, hell yeah. So we have an SAT test. This is from last year. This is real stuff, baby. And we're going to throw 25 minutes on the clock. Okay, here we go. No calculator. And I got to keep everything kind of in this little window so you can kind of see what we got. We just got to go. Alright, so this graph. Alright, what's the question? Just go to the question. How many 4-credit classes will the student need to enroll to complete this program? Shows a representative of the possible 3-credit and 4-credit classes the student can take. Holy Toledo. Student enrolls in 8 3-credit classes. How many 4-credit classes will the student need? Whoa. Okay. 3-credit and 4-credit, and the combinations. Okay. If the student enrolls in 8 3-credit classes, holy Toledo. Okay. Yeah, you're going to take 9. So that was it. That was crazy. You know what I mean? Just right off the bat, follow instructions. Alright, so which equation defines this? Okay, so we're going to be plus 1. So it's going to be hell yeah or hell yeah. And then we're a positive x. Okay, so that was easy. Alright, so moving on. The graph. It has x-intercepts. Well, that's interesting. -6, 0. And then 6, 0. Which of the following must be true? F of, so yeah, the y value. So if you plug this in, the y value is 0. Yeah, it's that one. You know what I mean? So this is your y value. Okay, we got to move on. Holy Toledo. Alright, which is the solution? Oh, now we figured out how to do these. Yeah, so to get rid of the y's, you're just going to add them together. Coo. So the y's cancel. And, I don't know. I don't like to do it that way either. So negative 5x. So we're just going to go minus 4x. Minus 6. But we're going to add 6 to the other side. 27. So yeah, so now you got negative 5 minus 4 is negative, yeah, 9 times 3. 9 times negative 3 is 27. Hell yeah, booyah. Okay, what are a possible, all possible. yeah. You're going to have 10 minus 10, but you can also have, I don't know. Throw in 0. Can you have negative 10? No. Can you have 10? 10 minus 10? Yeah. Can you have negative 10 minus 10? No, that's going to be negative 20. So, no, you can just have 1. Yeah, it's just 10. 10 minus 10. Yep. That's a trick question, I think. Alright, so now we got this one. Okay, terms of r. Yeah, friggin' A. So you got to take s to the other side. So you go q over s. Okay, and then square root of that. And then plus 1. I don't even know what I'm doing no more. But yeah, that should be it. Yeah, booyah. Okay, number 7. What's the question? Which equation represents this relationship? Okay, x and y. Each increase of 1 in the value of x decreases the value of y by 2. So if you go from, so we're just going to go 0. So this starts out as 5, this starts out as -5, -5, 5. And you go up to 1. It doesn't increase it by 2, which decreases it by 2. So we need to get 3 here, we need to get -7 there. So it's got to be down here. Yeah. So throw 1 in there, and you're going to go -5 minus, yeah, it's that one. Because this one's going to be 5 minus 2. 5. Well, this one works too. Negative. So if you throw in 1, you're going to get -2 plus 5 is 3. Okay. Each increase of 1 in the value of x decreases the value of y by 2. Okay. Yes. And how about this one? So you had -5. And you threw in 1, and now you got -2 minus 5. That's -7. That also works. We'll have to come back to this one. This is a friggin' trick question. In the relation between x and y, an increase of 1 in the value of x decreases the value of y by 2. So we increase the value of x. Let's try it. Let's try it. So if you throw in 1, you get -7. Got it. And then you throw in 1, you get 3. Let's throw in 2. Then you're going to get -4, -4. Oh, okay. So 3 minus 4. No, this is awful. But if you go negative, starting at -7. I don't know. So this is -9. I think it's this one. I'm pretty sure. Holy Toledo. Okay. All right. The formula. Okay, we got the formula. What's the question? What is the value of k? Okay. Yeah, I have no idea. But anyway, so we got -x, so we're just going to do, that's -x. Oh, that's bizarre. Yeah, -x squared. -x squared minus 8x. And, oh, this is tricky. I would think it's 2. I would think it's 2 because to get it to shift over, this is what shifts us over. This has got to be -4. And I think it negative shifts it to the right. So I just know that. Holy Toledo. All right. An isosceles right triangle has a hypotenuse of length 4 inches. Isosceles? Is that like one of those? Isosceles right triangle. What was it? Wait. A right triangle that's isosceles. Okay, cool. Has a hypotenuse of 4. Oh, booyah. What is the perimeter? Heck yeah, this is AA. A squared plus A squared is equal to 4. This is 2A squared is equal to 4. And so A is equal to 2 square root of 2. So you're going to have 2 squared is 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 squared is 2. What? 4 plus... Bummer. What? A squared plus... Oh, this is 16. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I messed up. This is 16. So now we got 4. No, now we got 8. Yeah, 8. Square root of 8. Square root of 8. Which square root... 8 goes to 2 times 2 times 2. So we got 2 square roots of 2. So we got 4 square roots of 2. Yeah, I didn't need to go too crazy on that one. But we actually got the right answer. How many solutions does this equation have? Oh, I don't know. So we got 4x minus 8 is equal to negative 2x plus 4. Oh, it's just 1. Exactly 1. It's just a linear, any linear line unless it's totally flat. And it's not flat. Because it might not have, oh yeah. 4x, yeah, it's not flat. It's if the x's were the same. Okay, moving on. Okay, it's not a constant line. Line K, tangent, point A. What is the slope of line K? Oh, bummer. Okay, so we got boop. You know what I mean? And, I don't know. So, you know what I mean? So, this is perpendicular sauce. And so, woof. Or, I don't even know. So, yeah. If we found the slope of this line, it's just the inverse. 1 over slope. Negative 1 over slope is the inverse of the slope. So let's find the slope of this line. So we're going to go negative 7. We're going to go x. We're going to go over 2. So the slope of this is, well, we'll rise over run. 1 over 2. So slope is 2. Inverse that's negative 2. Booyah. All right, hell yeah. Okay. And big equation. The function r gives the... We got to check our time. All right, more time on the clock. All right, hell yeah, that was the first 10 minutes, I think. Okay, the function r gives the predicted value. Man, I ran my time down to almost nothing. Which of the following represents the predicted average rating of the player who has just entered the first professional chess tournament? R gives the predicted average rating. Okay, here's my rating, expressing the number of points for T years. Oh, I have 0 years. So this just goes to 0. So anything, any number to the negative, any number to the 0 is just 1. So yeah, you're gonna have a rating of so yeah, any number to the 0 is equal to 1. So your rating is going to be Which of the following represents the predicted average rating of a player who has just entered the tournament, professional chess tournament? Well, yeah, it's just this. T is 0. You know what I mean? Who has just entered their first professional T in years? Yeah, it's 0. Oh, that was dumb. Okay, Alice took a 60 minute. Well, what's the question? Approximately how many minutes will it take Alice to complete the task on her 5th trial? It took Alice 60 minutes to complete a task on her first trial. The time it took Alice to complete the task decreases by 10% of the previous time for each additional trial. Okay, so you're going to go, what's 10% of 60? Well, if it was $60 and I got 10% off, that's $6 off. So now we got 54. Oh, and then the 5th trial. Okay, so this is the first trial. Her first trial, second trial. And then half off of that. Oh, approximately how many minutes will it take a 5th trial? Oh, this is crazy. So now I get $5.40 off. Yeah. So it's like 49. It's not 49. It's 48.6. 48.6 on that third trial. And now we're gonna get. Oh, I hate this one. Well, let's just say it's 49, and then I take another $5 off. Okay, so it's going to be like 44, and then I take another $4 off, so it's going to be like 40. So this is going to be 3, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be close to 40. It's going to be 39, because you're taking just a little bit more. Man, that's crazy that they want such an accurate answer. But yep, got it. Pretty accurate on that one. That one you just don't want to do decimals. You don't want to get too crazy. Okay, so which of the following tables represent the value of x in the system of the equality? Okay, so 0. I would just throw in x is 0. So yeah, you have 3. No. See, yeah, it's this one, D. Because if you throw in x is equal to 0... Whoa. It says if x is 0, y is less than 3. Y is less than 3. So if x is 0, y is negative 3. Yeah, that works. Yeah, no, this one works too. Shoot. Oh, but this one doesn't work. If you throw in x is 0, the y's got to be less than 3. Okay, so this one works too. Okay, now we're going to throw x in 0, y is greater than negative 6. Yeah, they all are. Oh, bummer. Okay, now we're going to throw in, I don't know which one we should throw in. Maybe we should, I don't like this one at all. Oh, bummer. Okay, so we're just going... I think you just throw them equal to each other. That makes the most sense. So we got 0.5x minus 6 is equal to 2 over 5x plus 3. Whew. This is 5 over 10x minus 4 over 10x. So this is 1 over 10x is equal to 3. No, is equal to 9. I don't like this one at all. 14, we got to come back to that one. Which of the following is equivalent? Oh, I love these. Yeah, these are cool. These are cool. So you're trying to... I don't know what you're trying to do. So this is 32 to the half times 64 to the 1/5. And oh, yeah, I just did one of these. So this is also 32 to the 10 over 5. So, no, 5 over... No, you can't do that. Yeah, this is 32 to the 5 over 10, and this is 64 to the 2 over 10. So this is going to be 32 times 64 to the 10, square root of 10. Nope. It's going to be 32 to the 5 times 64 squared. All divided by 10. Well, what do we know? Man, I don't even know. Oh, this one's tricky. Oh, okay. And then 32 goes to 16, and 2 goes to 32. That 32 is just like, is 32 5 2 4 8 16 32 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, there's 5 of those anyway. Oh, and then 64. There's going to be 11 of these. Well, no, there's... Holy Toledo. But yeah, you're gonna have 5 2s. You're gonna have 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 6. 2 to the 5 to the 2. Huh. Interesting. I'm just gonna say it's 2 to the 5 right there. So you're gonna... I don't know. Oh, bummer. We'll see if we have time for that. Yeah, those two. Okay. Alright, line K is in the plane. Line J. What is the slope of line J? Whoa. Wait. Line K is shown in the XY plane. Line J, not shown, is parallel to line K. Okay, it's got the same slope. So we got rise over run. Our rise is 1 over... our run is 5. 1/5. Okay, so that's easy. Oh, and we got to write these in. So these do not have multiple choice. The expression is equivalent to... this expression is equivalent, so they're equal, where C and D are constants, cool, and X is greater than 0. What is the value of C plus D? Oh, okay. So yeah, so this, you just got to divide it. Oh, and I shouldn't have done that. But you got X to the 3 on top, and then you're going to have 8. 8x to the 3 is equal to... Yeah, so C plus D is equal to 11. All right, booyah. All right, 2... What value of h is the solution to the given? Okay, so you got 2.1h plus 6.2 is equal to 3h plus 2.1. I like taking the h's over here, so we're going to go 6.2 minus 2.1, which is 4.1. And then you got 3.0 minus 2.1. It's kind of like 3 minus 2 is 1, but you're going 0.9, 0.9h. So 41. So it's 4.1 divided by 0.9. And 9 doesn't go into 41 worth a darn. So I don't know why they had us do this one. That's not. Yeah, that's a bummer. Anyway, that's my answer. I think we're a little bit wrong on that one too. Alright, a cylinder has a sphere. A cylinder... Oh, man. Okay, we messed up on the light and we messed up on the time. But the volume of the sphere is half the volume of the cylinder. What is the value of R? Oh, but the R is the same. R is the same. So, oh, that's interesting. So you're going to have pi 16 r squared is equal to 4 over 6 pi r cubed. Oh, this is easy now. So pi's cancel. And then you're going to divide this by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Times 6 is 24. 24 r squared is equal to r cubed. So R is equal to 24. Booyah. R is equal to 24. Hell yeah. Now I know we missed some, but that's alright. And B, if, okay. Okay, what is one possible value of x? X squared plus b squared plus c. If the given equation b and c are constants, if negative b plus, so negative b plus or minus blah blah blah. Okay, so it's all over 2a. So, you know what I mean. So it's all over 2a and a, so it's just all over 2. So what's one possible value of x? 9. You know what I mean. Or 5. You just type in one of those. Okay, hell yeah. So let's go back. This was a humdinger. I really want to do this one, but which of the following... yeah, this is tricky. So, if x is a multiple of 2, then so yeah, x this should be 2. So 2 minus 6 is negative 4. So x has to be greater than negative 4 when x is 4. Has to be greater than negative 6. Yeah, of course it is. I think you got to use this one. Oh, this was a bummer. 2/5? I think this is just close to a half. So you're going to take x and you're kind of going to half it. And then you're going to have 5. But y has to be less than 5. Okay, it is. Oh, I don't like this one at all. Okay, let's try to do this one and then we'll just finish up. So, square root... Oh, yeah. So 32, the square root of 32, you got 5 of these. So it's going to be, you're going to take 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to take all those, whoa. You're going to take the pairs of them and then pop them out. So you're going to have 2, 2. So you're going to have 4 root 2. That's the square root of 32 is 4 root 2. And then you're going to have, oh, that's it. Alright, well, we did it. Thanks for joining me. And I'll just finish this one up at a different time. Alright, that was 25-minute SAT test. We did pretty good. These two problems sucked. And there was a few others that sucked too. But hell yeah. Well, thanks for joining me. And that's a video.